You all right, Tyler? Yeah, you're the one talking.
How deep is it?
I don't know. Just stick it in the mud.
Hey! Hey! Step in the water and find out how deep it is. See how far down you go.
If it's in the mud, it ain't going to the edge of the mud. Right there, you're standing.
There you go.
No. I want it. If we're going to do that, I want it in it. Okay. Hey, can you stick it? Yeah, right there. Oh, God, yeah. Oh, this is going to be a good one, guys. Good.
Why are you laughing? I'm riding back in your truck, old man.
Oh.
Ha! That was good.
Where is the tannerite?
Move, guys.
Where is
I
it?
barely see it.
Tannerite? Oh, it's in there. Stuck down. In the door. Stuck down.
You know what I think? I think for doing all this damn work, I should get to shooting.
Yeah!
You can shoot it. I'll take the picture.
Hey! Hey, Tyler, you'd probably be better aim.
Tyler can shoot it. You get 2 shots, then this guy's going to shoot it.
2 shots? I can hit.
All right. Let's go, Tyler.
Now, the other thing is you can't fire till I tell you to go. Because I'm going to take pictures.
Okay, it doesn't matter, baby. But I need you to move. I know. I can get right.
It's very possibly going to be shot.
Ian, move.
There's going to be shrapnel involved, so if you see something coming your way, duck.
Last time it was corner of the window.
Corner of the passenger side.
Oh, yeah. Oh, on top of it?
Fly upside down, flip over. Alright. Big bang!
Here. Let's kill our
Miss.
Oh, it moved.
I can handle it. I can handle it.
2 shots.
Keep going. Try it again. 3 shots missed. Can't even tell where you're hitting. Now we got it.
Good! Woo! Hey, Tyler.
Hey, you blew the back of the door open. The back door.
Hey, Tyler.
Yeah, it did. It blew the back door open.
How was that?